Welcome to Bhartiye Products. Ever wondered how those perfectly bent pipes are made? In this video, we'll take you inside our plant to see our incredible pipe bending machine in action, handling large volumes of pipes with ease. We'll also introduce you to the skilled operators who ensure each bend is precise and efficient. So, buckle up and get ready to see how our machine bends pipes on a massive scale. If you're impressed by our machine and are interested in purchasing one, please contact us for a quote. We offer competitive pricing and ensure prompt delivery.